So way back when, before we started doing the vlogs, we actually got this cool RS5 in, and let me show you what we did to it because it's pretty cool. So this came to us as a stock, brand new white RS5. But what's so cool about this one is because it didn't have the red stripes, so we actually added the red details you see here. So the offset red hood stripe, did the pinstripe down the middle, goes from the hood to the roof to the trunk, all offsetted. So it's nice, right centered with the RS5 badge. So it's really nice, really sporty, as you can see. And we also put on Vossen HF3 wheels in satin black, so it's really sporty, goes really well with the whole car theme. And right now what we're doing is we're actually changing out the center caps and the lug nuts too. We're adding the Vossen lugs, or the Vossen locks to it. So let me show you what these look like. You love Escalantes.
Bro, different vibe.
Anyway, this is what they look like. Pretty cool. And those are the sport billets. Stop. And those are... And those are the sport billet center caps. The red's powder coated, so it's a really nice pop to it. And then you have the details in the center, just telling you what kind of wheel it is. One of the reasons I really like this RS5 that we've done is because it almost looks like something that Audi would do. Okay. If they were trying to build like a special edition RS5. Like it's not too over the top, but it's just different enough from like the standard factory RS5s. Like you know that it's very unique. It's almost like something they would do if they want to do like a limited edition. So that's why I really like this setup.